Going to bed earlier, even if it's just an hour earlier, can do amazing things for your overall health and well-being. Don't believe it? Then just check out these scientifically backed benefits that you'll reap when you hit the sheets earlier. Improved health. Though it won't necessarily prevent you from becoming sick altogether, going to sleep earlier can help to keep your health in check. There has been tons of research that shows the correlation between going to bed earlier and a healthier immune system, so, if you want to prevent the possibility of getting diabetes, heart disease, or even obesity, go to bed earlier. Pain relief. Going to bed earlier can help to prevent both chronic and acute pain. There have been several studies that have found that getting enough sleep will actually lower your pain. Improve depression and anxiety. Getting enough sleep can actually lower your anxiety levels and make you worry a lot less. It's been found that disturbances in sleep can actually make you think negative thoughts, which will increase your anxiety and make you feel depressed. Go to bed earlier and you could feel a whole lot better. You'll be happier. You'll be a whole lot happier when you have enough rest, which you and everyone you know will be grateful for. You'll be more alert. Getting enough C's will make you more alert, which will improve your job performance and so many other things in your life. Healthy weight. Your metabolism can stay in check if you get enough sleep, which means that you have the possibility of maintaining a healthy weight. Better appearance. Bags under the eyes aren't very becoming. Go to bed earlier and those bags will shrink and you'll look better overall. Better diet. You also tend to eat better when you get enough sleep. You won't want to reach for that sugary snack or soft drink for a pick-me-up. Better memory. Always forgetting things? Well, it could be because you don't get enough sleep. Get more sleep and your memory can improve.